Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about my scanner which you have created for positional stock option. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update like scanners and screeners. So we have a positional stock option scanners. We built a custom scanner which helping you to find out some positional opportunities among the all F&O list of stocks. So recently we are discussing about our intraday scanner which working based on the Cambrilla R4 breakout, and weekly based scanner which we are discussing recently on last video. So that is based on the positional logic which we are applied on the strategy. So based on the strategy we are finding out an opportunity by using the scanner. The scanner alone will not provide you any buy sell recommendation or any tips. It is not providing. It is about a scanner which helping you to find out overall market and what is happening on a particular strike price, that we are using the scanner to make our job easier to identify where there is an opportunity. And this session we are going to discuss about the monthly scanner. So here how we built that based on this monthly scanner, it is based on the logic, positional logic. So how we are selecting the strike based on monthly. This is not the strike price, whatever the strike price which you are selecting. This is based on monthly, and that would be from first to end of the month, maybe 30 or 31st. It is not based on the expiry. Some misconcept about an expiry. So from first to till the expired of contract, and the calculation which you are doing is till the month end, but the next the update would be on this particular tool will be on the first of next month, or maybe on the last day the particular month end. So we started this from first, and we are waiting till the 30th, but most of the times the expired will happen 3-4 days back, and that particular 3-4 days this particular scanner will not be working, because the strike price which you are selecting on based on the current month. Like for an example, if I'm just using for a July contract, the strike price which is selected based on July, but July expiry may be 28, then another 2 days we are not going to use this scanner, because it will be telling you till July only. So then when August came, so 1st of August we will be it will be auto updated, the strike and stock selection, everything it will be coded there, and it will be going to update. So in the last, after the weekly monthly expiry, there is a 3 or 4 days, 3 days from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, this scanner we are not going to use. And if you are watching that also, it will be showing the wrong strike prices, because it is selected for the July and it is started every calendar month, so not on expiry date. That is the major misconcept. So those already using the scanner, or those who are getting the scanner to use it, that is what the main point. So it is about a calendar month, because even though we are trading in options, but the data for a monthly charts which is calculating from the 1st to 30th of the month, any charts which are taken, if your monthly candle, that would be calculated at the end of the month only, not on the expiry date, if you are checking any equity charts. And also the options and futures is depend on the equity only. So equity chart, based on the equity only, we are going to do a trade in futures or options. So that logic we are using on based on the calendar month, not on the expiry day. So first of month to 30th we are using the same strike prices, and monthly ones we are going to it will be auto updated the strike prices. Once it is updated, so this will be never changing till the end of month. So here are many stocks which is triggered, but what we are using this scanner as a tool for applying our strategies. Like we have some 4 different hedging strategy on non-directional basis. So directional, the logic is simple. We are not using any charts and indicator. The directional strategy like 2.1, 3.2, FO or SBB or ATM or OTM kind of strategy which you are using, and this may be the key trigger whenever it finding an opportunity, or it is going to we are finding some opportunity, any one of the strategy which we can apply. So this act as the scanner for those strategy, and after finding out, then we can apply any of the strategy as per your risk ability. It is not providing you this to buy or this to sell. This is a purely a scanner among 212 stocks, and with a 2 strike price like call and 424 strikes, it is scanning. And once it is scanned, and we will be finding out an opportunity based on our positional logic. So we are planning 3 to 5 stocks for a month, but the scanner is deliver you almost in call side near about 30 plus and put side around 10 plus stocks, but we try to find only 3 or 5 stocks maximum. So that is what a development or developing the course to find some 3 to 5 better opportunity. By using the scanners and screeners, we are easily identify those opportunities. And this month we got a lot of call side, along with the same time put side also we got some opportunities which is triggered, and we have some conditions not to take on the first 15 minutes breakouts, and after 15 minutes we are trying for a fresh opportunity. So such a kind of rule based things if you apply, so we will be avoiding some minimum number of stocks only we are going to get it. But it is given as a scanner, it will be finding overall all the F&O list of stocks, and from that it is filtering out depends on the change in the percentage. So for an example, to take Kalyan Jewellers, maybe it happened in this from first to as of now 16. Meanwhile, any point of the time it may trigger. So if you are tracking the scanner, you can easily able to find out which is going to triggered earlier, and from that we need to if you are planning an options, so the liquidity is the main key. So we need to find the liquid stocks or liquid options, because if after sometimes later it may be, currently it is a deep ITM. So if it is a deep ITM, the liquidity issue may came. Okay, so even some strike price in ATM itself, there is a liquidity issue. So that's such a kind of stocks we should ignore. So like liquidity and volatility. So these are all the key factor IV and IVP, which we can use it for identifying some highly volatile stocks. So based on the scanner. So the logic which we have built the scanner is depends on the course. So where you are going to learn some 5 hedging strategies along with the directional also, and as well as non-directional also. Non-directional, we are depending on the expected volatility of this particular stock. Directional, it is based on the price movement of the stocks, where we are trying to find some opportunities from this. And these are all the course and scanners and screeners is developed to select some 3 to 5 stocks overall over the month. So that is what the main logic. So that is about our scanner. We have a 3 parts videos which we made. So a lot of questions will be answered here, and those who are already using. And if anyone who are looking for this scanner, we are providing you one-time setup along with the courses also. Really interested people, just ping me on my WhatsApp number shown on this video to get the scanner, and you can use it for your own trading purpose and analysis purpose. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.